Hey everyone, this is Dr. Muhammad Awais and you're watching Doctor's Care. Today I'm going to show you an incredibly easy way to get a summary of any YouTube video using ChatGPT, and it's absolutely free. You might be wondering how this is possible. Well, there is a feature called Video Summarizer by the general mind under the Research and Analysis section on ChatGPT Explorer. This feature allows you to quickly and efficiently get the gist of any YouTube video without having to watch the entire thing. For researchers, this tool is very useful. It saves valuable time by distilling long videos into concise summaries, making it easier to extract relevant information and insights. And instead of spending hours watching content, you can get the key points in minutes, allowing you to focus on analysis or application. Before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Open chatgpt.com in any web browser. If you already have an account, go to login. Otherwise, sign up for a new account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click at login. After giving my email address and password, I will be logged into chatgpt.com. So here you go. Now you need to go to Explore GPTs here. Scroll down and you will see Research and Analysis. So under Research and Analysis, you will see Video Summarizer. If it is not visible to you at first hand, go to See More and you will see Video Summarizer here. Hit at here. Okay, start chat. Now you need to just paste the video URL. You don't need to give any prompt. Let me open YouTube channel Doctor's Care in another tab. So this is our YouTube channel Doctor's Care. If you scroll down, you will see a video of analyze interviews using NVivo. Let's say I want to get the summary of this YouTube video. Just copy the URL and go back to ChatGPT Video Summarizer and paste it here. Now enter. So now you need to allow Video Summarizer to talk to the generalmind.com website. Okay, the action begins. So analyzing interviews using NVivo, that's correct. This is the title, okay. And introduction, presenter Dr. Muhammad Awais, AES, a little bit spelling mistake, but it is ignorable. Anyways, focus, analyzing interviews using NVivo, particularly addressing the causes. Okay, that was the project I worked on in this video. Additional services, okay, yes, I talked about offering one-on-one guidance in this video. Project setup, yes, first I told how to create a new project, then I imported the data. Yes, I talked about classifications, coding data, yes. Analysis with NVivo, yes, I talked about video frequency analysis as well as text search query, okay. So far so good. Matrix coding query, I talked about it. Yes, I talked about hierarchical charts of codes, yes, data coded into various themes. Absolutely right. Sunburst, oh wow. Yes, I talked about modifying the visualization style in this video. For example, sunburst, etc. Visualizing data, okay. Conclusion, yes, I recapped the whole video at the last. Call to action at the end. Yes, I asked the viewers to please subscribe to the channel. Let's say I want to get the 50 words summary. Just summarize this video in 50 words and hit enter. Yes, I explained how to analyze the interviews. I cover project setup, importing data, creating case classifications, coding themes, and performing analysis. Concluding with visualization techniques and further guidance offerings. Amazing. As you can see, this tool is not just a time saver but also a powerful asset for researchers who need to sift through large amounts of information quickly. By getting concise summaries of YouTube videos, you can focus more on analyzing the content and applying it to your work rather than spending hours watching videos, So give the Video Summarizer feature a try and see how it enhances your research process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.